Hi, today I'm going to be doing a science experiment to show you how cold dry ice really is. Dry ice is frozen carbon dioxide. It is a temperature of 109 degrees below zero Fahrenheit. I've got some coins here, and just to show you how cold this dry ice is, I'm going to put the coins into the dry ice. Look at that quarter. Shivering, freezing in the dry ice. Now you have to be careful when you do this because the cold can travel through the quarter and into your skin. I'm going to put the dime in there. Nickel. Another nickel. Nickel. There we go. Very, very cold, but pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.